Baba, enter your motor, open your door, open your bonnet, and come and put the gun. What do they call gun for us? You put bindiga in a bonnet. Chicken bonnet. Leave him. Yo, wow. Yai.
I'm not going to see this today. You have 3 years.
That's a bit. Leave him. Look your back. You're not going to enter. Because of what? Because of touch it. Tell them.
Because of this accident.
Okay. There is a weapon already. There is a weapon already neatly concealed here. Baba just told us that because of this push dents in, that he might not take further weapons. But Baba, how many guns, how many bindiga did they enter here? Eh? I mean, talking for English. 4. So you carry 4 guns. Where and where you don't carry gun go before? Somebody should be in tap.
Yawa ga mana ina da ina ka
Stay like this so that the cameras.
Na dauko daga Isalu zuwa Ibon soje. Sannan na sake dauko a har waya da su na dauko daga Isalu zuwa Ibon. Amma mutanen da nake dauko mu Fulani daji ne. Idan na dauko musu mun je a hanya inda suke ajewa sun dauko na dauko na kawo musu a hanyar daji na sauke musu sun dauki bayan sun tafi.
Baba said he has conveyed these weapons severally along Ibon, his Sonlu axis, and that the people he conveys the weapons for are mostly nomadic Fulanis. That his role is simply to take the arms from one point to the other where they need it. That they will come out from the bush, take delivery of the weapons, and continue with whatever purpose they want to use them for.
Ask him how much do they pay for it.
They pay him 250,000 naira for every delivery.
That's okay. That's okay. Thank you.